Hello crafters, welcome to Rajni's Craftivity. Today I am going to show you how to make this endless card. And back to front. Once again. For this you will need a cardstock paper of two different colors, and you have to cut two squares of 6 by 6 inches. Six inches by 6 inches. Two squares like this. This is the one square of one color, and this is the second square. And what you have to do, you have to cut those squares from the center such that you will get the 4 strips of paper. Now next you have to draw 2 lines at 1.5 inches from the end like this, and you have to fold it towards the center such that the two ends meets at the center. Likewise, you have to do all 4 of them. First you place 2 strips like this. Apply glue at the corners a little bit. And now you have to place the 3rd strip like this, not like this but in opposite direction, such that they meet all the 2 corners. Apply the glue on the next 2 corners. Place the strip in the opposite direction, not this but this, such that they meet the corners. Now your card is ready. This is my finished card. So you can decorate your card as you like, and you can write messages like here, 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 and this is your front. Thanks for watching.